Okay guys, so I decided to carpet my floor. I'm tired of that wood. I think it looks ugly. So I got screws holding down this plywood. So what I'm doing is, so I find this screw. And I pop it right through. Just like that. Then I take this and I lift it up. Make sure I hold this in spot. Make sure you get out everything up from underneath there. You don't want nothing to be stuck underneath here. Alright guys, I'm back out here today. This is how it turned out. I'm very pleased with it. Looks so much better with that floor carpeted. Hey, I'm going to be working on, let's get back on topic. We're working on these panels, trying to get a panel in here. Let's see what happens. Okay, so this is what I got so far. You know, you got to do a lot of thinking when you do this. So I want this to be built out. I want to do some type of compartment here where it comes up and comes straight here. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I had this was on the wall over here. I definitely got to move that. So I'm thinking about insetting this on the panel like that. I think that'll work. And it's not gonna be in the way because it's gonna be where my seat is anyways. Ain't nothing gonna be there. Okay, so far this is what I've come up with. I mean, we'll see. These are Cortex screws. These screws are $100 a box. Just like that. Alright, got a little bit of wood going in on the project. Oh, and I'll show you guys why I can't go all the way with this, because then I won't be able to open this hatch door right here to work on my stereo or fix wires, or so I can't leave that open. So I'm gonna do something else with that. I haven't figured that out yet. So this is my plan, something like this. So take this off. Bring it back to this table, and I'll bring you guys with me. Get my trim nailer. I'll nail this. Alright, so this is what I got so far. Gonna be one panel here. I'm trying to get out. My sister wants to go out on the boat today. See what happens. We'll cut the whole thing 12 and a half. That is a straight. Cool. Ah, it's just long enough too. 42 3/4. Light. Oh. Perfect. So material you need, get you a nice sharp blade. I love these hook blades. They're really for like roofing, but these things work really good for this carpet too though. Got a trowel with a 16th of an inch trowel gaps. These I don't use. I use these little ones. What you doing, Bubba? You wanna come meet everybody? You wanna meet everybody on the YouTube channel? You guys haven't met the dog yet. You might have seen him on a video, I'm not sure. Here he is. Hey, Bubba! Bubba! Hi, Bubby boy! He's an American Bulldog. Bubba, sit! Oh, boy! Hey, make sure you get a stapler like this. Because I tried to use a slap tacker, you know, a slap stapler. It won't work. For some reason, it don't go into the carpet right. All right, all done. Eight and 3/4 to 3. $12 and a half. Really? Yeah, it fits good. I like it. All right. Guys, I got a latch, flush slam latch coming. Yeah. It's a little spot to put. I can fit probably 3 of these. These are the large trays too, piano large. So fit, you know, 3 in each. And then I'm gonna take something here, and I'm gonna make right here. I'm gonna make a fishing pole or fishing hook hangers, and we had to hang a bunch of fishing lures. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I will show you guys when I put the latch on, and I hope I can get a gas strut to hold on this, but I don't know if they make them smaller. Not sure. But thank you guys for watching. Have a good day, everyone.